Everyone's telling you to spend 40 grand on an SUV, and they're wrong. Let me show you why. This is the Chevrolet Trax, and when you see it, you get it. That blacked out grille, the RS badge, those LED headlights cutting across the front, this thing has presence. And it looks like it costs way more than it does. And that's kind of the whole point. 18-inch machined alloys, standard. And now, here's where it gets interesting. Look at the length on this. Longer, lower, wider than the Trax it replaced. It's got real SUV proportions without the SUV price tag or the SUV fuel bill. And the inside, this is where it shocks people. Heated seats, 11-inch infotainment screen, 8-inch driver display, wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, standard, in an RS, at this price. Listen, I'll be straight with you. This isn't the fastest SUV on the market, nor is it the biggest, but what it is, it's the smartest buy in this segment right now. You're getting the look, the tech, the space, and the Chevy warranty for thousands less than anything comparable. I've got this Trax sitting right here at Bud's Chevrolet in Oakville. I got the keys ready. Let me know when you're swinging by to drive it.